Welcome to SQreamDB, your data and analytics acceleration platform. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a foreign table, exploring querying techniques, and efficiently loading data. Let's dive in. At SQreamDB, foreign tables streamline direct data querying, minimizing loading times and optimizing storage efficiency. When creating a foreign table, specify the DDL, desired file format, and file location. Sqream supports open-source formats like CSV, Parquet, ORC, JSON, and Avro. Once defined, query your foreign table just like an internal one. Utilize the join clause for seamless integration with internal tables. Let's dive into the specifics. Now onto the practical side, reading data directly from an open-source file, bypassing the loading stage. Begin by creating the supplier foreign table with a specified DDL and designate the file format as Parquet. Locate the table under the foreign tables database tree. Now let's dive into querying the data directly. Execute a simple command like select count from our supplier table, revealing 10 million rows. Now onto the second scenario of leveraging a foreign table, loading data into SQreamDB. This approach empowers you to perform data transformations on the fly, whether it's deleting columns or applying various functions. Start by creating an internal table for suppliers, augmenting it with an extra column named Nation. This information is derived from a join operation between the supplier foreign table and the existing Nation internal table in our database. Once executed, you may find the new Supplier with Nation table under the database tree. Another noteworthy feature of foreign tables in SQreamDB is the option for automatic schema mapping. No need for DDL. Simply create a foreign table, and SQreamDB will use the file structure to establish the table schema. Let's illustrate this by recreating the supplier foreign table based on the one already present in our database, omitting the DDL this time. As you can see, the supplier foreign auto map table mirrors all columns defined in our original DDL. Please share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.